Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So, children, we are learning which chapter? Fractions. Yes.
Fraction.
What is a fraction?
A part of a whole. A part of a whole.
Fraction is a part of a whole. Very good. Okay. Then what we learned?
Equivalent fraction.
Equivalent fraction. So, what is equivalent fractions?
The number that equivalent fraction is a part. The number that equivalent fraction is a fraction that denotes the same part of a whole.
Part of a whole. Very good. Fraction that denote the same part of a whole. Okay, children. Now, how we can make equivalent fractions?
1 by 2.
How we can make equivalent fractions? How we can make? Yes, by multiplying or dividing, both numerator or denominator by the same number. Okay. Now, children, we
Cross
have
multiplication. Cross multiplication.
Yes. Now, children, please take out your math workbook, page number 6. Page number 6. Check whether we have completed question number 20A. All of you faster.
No, ma'am, we didn't do 20.
We didn't write
We
question.
only revised it.
We revised how to do that. Yes. Okay. So I will ask one by one. Okay. Okay, Adil, read question number 20.
Ronnie has 2 cardboard pieces of the following shapes.
Okay.
How can he shade each shape to show fraction 2 by 6?
Yes. In the last class, we have discussed how to do 2 by 6. Yes. Yes, Dia, you want to say something?
Ma'am, my grandmother was packing my book so I can go to Dubai. So I need to take it out.
You didn't get the book? So you can write now in the... Okay.
Ma'am, in this coming March, I will go to Muscat to my father.
Okay, children. Okay. So we will quickly finish this chapter today.
My father will go after coming here on December 3rd.
Okay,
he will go.
Yes.
And we will go at March.
Yes. We can finish this chapter. Then we will come back to all your... Okay. We will come back to all this conversation. So children, we have 20, 21 and 22. This we can complete today. Okay. So how we can shade this 2 by 6? How we can divide 2 by 6? That 2 pictures are given. Yes, can you tell me which 2 shapes have given?
Rectangle and circle.
Rectangle and circle. So how you can divide? We have to divide 6 parts. And how many parts we have to shade? 2. Okay. So children, we can write that. Very easy one. Very easy questions. So what we have to do here? Children, we have question number 20A. Question number 20A. Page number 6 from the workbook. Page number 6, question number 20A. So children, how we can draw 2 by 6? That is the question. So it is given 2 shapes. On these 2 shapes, you have to divide equally into 6 parts. All the children. Yes,
Ma'am, I finished doing that.
Write it fast.
Ma'am, I finished doing that.
Okay. So we have to write also what we had to do. How we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Now the next figure also, children, you have to draw equally 6 parts. Now 2 by 6 you have to do. So how many pieces you have to cover? Yes?
Ma'am, I drew different way.
Okay. Okay, so children, you have to shade how many parts? 2 parts out of 6. 1 part, 2 part. Very easy ones. But when you divide, remember that all the pieces should be equal only. So what we have done, children, we can write it here. Okay. So here, to show the fraction, yes, children, we can start writing. To show 2 by 6, what we have done, first we have divided the figure into 6 equal parts. After that, we have shaded 2 parts. That's we are writing now. To show the fraction 2 by 6, to show the fraction, children, you have to write 20A and 20B. So according to the space, children, you have to divide and write. You have to write question number B also. So remember how you can utilize the space given. To show the fraction 2 by 6, to show the fraction 2 by 6, what we have done, we divide. We divide both the figures, both rectangle and circle, both the figures. Both the figures in 6 equal parts. In 6 equal parts. In 6 equal parts, and color 2 parts out of 6, and color 2 parts out of 6. Okay, so children, page number 6, question number 20A. Question number A, it is, we are showing 2 by 6 in 2 different pictures, and we are writing what we have done. To show the fraction 2 by 6, what we have done, we divide both the pictures, both the figures into how many equal parts? 6 equal parts. And from equal 6 parts, we have shaded how many parts? 2. Okay, write it fast. Sanahin, show me the book. Page number 20, page number 6. Workbook part 2. We are writing now question number 20, page number 6. Okay, Ameya, we are going to do now question number B. Can you read question number B? Ameya.
Sunita grew
Sunita
Two-
grew 2 by 8 inches.
2 by
Okay.
8 inches in January and 1 by 4 on
Of an inch.
in February.
February.
Did
Did her height
her height increase
increase
equal in 2 months?
equal in 2 months, children? I hope all of you have increased your height, yes?
Yes.
Now this month, children, you can check your height. Somewhere you can mark it. And December, and check again the next month, January, and check how in December or January, are they, you increase the height equally? We can check like that. Sunida, she's checking here 2 by 8 inches she increased her height in January. And how much in February? 1 by 4. And are they equal? Arfan, please unmute and tell me. 2 by 8, 1 by 4. Compare. And by how you can make 2 by 8 from 1 by 4? 1 by 4 and 2 by 8. Check whether they are equal, and can you multiply by any number? 1 by 4.
2 by 4 and
Check in your question, in your book, 2 by 8 and 1 by 4. Yes. Yes, Rohit.
2 by 8 and 4. Ma'am,
Ah.
1 by 2. 4 by
1 by
8.
yes. Okay, Rohit, what
And
you
they
are
are
saying?
equal.
They
They
are
are
equal.
equal. They
Very
are
good.
equal.
Okay.
1 by 2, 2.
Ah.
4 by 2, 8.
So 1 by 4 multiplied by which number, children, you will get? 2 by 8. 1 by 4
2
into
by
2. 1 into 2 is 2.
2. 4
4
into 2
2s
is
are
8.
8. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So equally, children, looking at the number itself, the fraction itself, you can understand they are equal. That means Sunita increased her height equally in January and February. She increased her height in the same amount. Okay, children. So we can write, but we will draw fraction bar and we will do that. We will draw. Children, I will send the notes. Okay. So question number 20A, I hope all of you have finished. Here we have drawn 2 by 6. And what we have done, that also we have written. Now next one, 20B. Children, write with me. 20B. So 2 by 8 and 1 by 4, children, the same method we can use, that drawing. 2 by 8, you have to draw equal parts. 2 by 8 and 1 by 4. So children, here we will write 2 by 8. 2 by 8. 2 by 8 and 1 by 4. So first I will divide this picture into 4 parts. Okay. So 1 by 4. I want to make Sanahin. When we do together, we can do. Otherwise, after the class, you have to check again the notes and write. So here, each part you have to divide into 2. Each part you have to divide into 2. So you will get 1. How many parts? 6, 7, 8. So we are doing page number 6, question number 20B. So here, children, 2 by 8 means you have to color 2 parts out of 8. And 1 by 4. So children, you can easily see from the picture whether they are here this much portion for 2 by 8 and here this much part again. So Adinath, can you identify from the picture? They are equal. Look here.
Equal, ma'am.
They are equal, children. Very good. Here from the picture itself, we can see they are equal. Equal. Okay. Okay. So children, otherwise, another method I show you. What is that? How we can make 1 by 4,
Cross
2 by 8.
multiplication. Cross.
We multiplied by 2. So you'll get 2. 4 2s are 8. No need to write this. But from the picture itself, it is clear. 1 by 4 and 2 by 8, they are equivalent fractions. So we can write
in 2 months.
she increased equal amount of height in 2 months. So children, we can write since 2 by 8, 2 by 8 is equivalent to 1 by 4. 2 by 8 is equivalent. This no need to write. We can write only one method. Since 2 by 8 is equivalent to 1 by 4. Sunita's height increased. Sunita's height increased equally. Equally in 2 months. Okay. So children, here we can easily identify from the picture 2 by 8 and 1 by 4, they are equivalent. So what is that meaning? Sunita's height is increasing in both the months, January and February. So 2 by 8, she increased in the month of January. January she increased 2 by 8 height. And 1 by 4 she increased in which month? That is February. Make it small, otherwise you will not be able to write both A and B. So, yes, Eva, I can see that. Okay, very good. Neat work. Good handwriting, Eva. So, since 2 by 8 is equivalent to 1 by 4, Sunita's height increased equally in 2 months. So, I hope all of you have completed. Okay. Then, children, please see that your video is on. Okay, next one, Sapna, can you read next question? Question number 21. Sapna.
Find any two fractions equivalent to 5 by 15.
Find any two fractions equivalent to 5 by 15. So children, how you can make equivalent fractions? Yes. How you can make equivalent fractions? By multiplying
or dividing.
dividing. Okay, multiplying or dividing. So we can use like one equivalent fraction by, we can obtain one equivalent fraction by multiplying, another one by dividing. Okay, so children, we will do together. Question number 21. So first we will do by multiplying. 5 by, which is the fraction given? 5 by 15 multiplied by, I will use a small number, so it will be easy for you to multiply. So we can write 5 times 2, 15 times 2. Yes, Varada, can you tell me the answer? 5 into 2. What is 5 into 2?
10.
10. Okay, very good. What about 15 times 2?
30.
Very good, 30. So children, this fraction 5 by 15 and 10 by 30, they are equivalent. So what we have done here, we multiply. By which number? 2. Okay, so we can write here. So what we have done, children, we can write. We multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction by 2. So we can write. We multiply. Sanahin, where is the book? Where is the page number? Start question number 21. Can you show me? 21. Right now. Question number 21. Page number 6. So we multiply. Children, what we are doing? Multiply. We multiply numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Devdarshan finished writing? We multiply numerator and denominator of the fraction. Which is the fraction given? Of the fraction 5 by 15. 5 by 15. By which number we have done? By 2. So what we have done here, children, to make equivalent fraction, we multiplied both numerator and denominator by the same number 2. So what is 5 twos are 10, 15 twos are 30. Okay, next one we will do with the, yes, Isra, can you tell me by which number I can divide? By which number I can divide 5 by 15? 5, 5 and 15. Hmm? 5 divided by which number? Yes, I'll.
1, 2, 30.
5 divided by which number we can make? 5 and 15.
Divided by 2. 2.
2 into 2, 1, 2 into 1, then 2, 4, 6. There is no 2 in the, there is no 5 in the table of 2. Okay, so 5 and 15 should be divided by the same number. So by which number we can divide? Can you say?
3. 3. No,
3,
3.
6,
5 by 3.
9. Is there any 5 in the multiplication table of?
45.
No, divide. We are doing divide. 5 divided by?
3. 10.
3 plus 3 is 6. And is there any 5 in the table of?
No.
No. So look at the tables. Then you have to find 5 divided by which number?
5.
5. Yes. Okay. 5 in divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is what? 5 into which number is 15?
5.
We will do together
3.
now here. Okay, children. So here we are next one going to divide 5 divided by 15. You have to divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, by the same number. So 5 divided by 5. If you are doing the numerator by the same number, you have to do here. So children, 5 divided by 5. Yes, Rohit, any number divided by the same number. Tell me 5 divided by 5.
Ma'am, question once more.
Can you look at the board? 5 divided by 5. What is the answer?
1.
1. Yes, very good. 1. Now look the operation reverse. 1 into 5. 5. Okay. 5 into which number is 15?
3.
Who's going to 3. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 3s are 15. So what's the answer here, children? Here the answer is we will get 1 by 3. So this also we can write. We divide. Okay, we can write. We divide. We divide the numerator and denominator. Write a smaller, okay, otherwise you will not get place to write. We divide the numerator and denominator.
Ma'am, this dividation also we should write?
Yes, because we have to find two equivalent fraction. 4, 5 by 15. So first one you multiplied by 2, you got 10 by 30. Yes. Now we are going to find another one by division. We divide the numerator and denominator. We divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Which fraction? Same like we have written for multiplication. We are writing the step here of the fraction 5 by 15. Fraction 5 by 15. By which number we are dividing here? By 5. Okay, so we divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Which is a fraction given? 5 by 15 by 5. We are dividing by which number? By 5. So we completed question number 21. So children, we have only one more question to complete in this chapter. Okay. So Varada, can you read the last question, page number 7? Page number 6. The question is in the 6th.
Observe the given figure and answer the questions that follow.
Yes, Varada, you are reading question number 22.
Draw the similar rectangles. Divide them into 2, 3, 6 and 9 equal parts. Then color 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 6 and 3 by 9 parts of the rectangles
Respectively.
respectively. Compare the colored parts and write the fraction using
Greater, less than or equal to.
or
Okay, children. So children, what we have to do here in the last question, we have to draw how many rectangles? We have to draw 4 rectangles, same size rectangles. So we have to make 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 6 and 3 by 9. So children, can we start? Draw draw the last question. Draw 4 similar triangles, means same size and same length. Draw 4 rectangles, all of you. The last question, question number 22. Yes. There we can draw. Yes, Varada. Yes. Question number 22. Now we have the space in page number 7. In the page number 7, children, we are going to draw page number 7. Question number 22. What we have to do? You have to draw 4 similar rectangles. All rectangles, children, you have to draw same length, okay, same size. Draw neatly. We will now discuss and you can do this as homework. So children, yes, Laya, can you tell me first rectangle, how many parts you have to divide? Divide. Draw 4 similar rectangles. Then how we can divide? Into 2 parts. So first one we will divide equal parts, 2. Okay, next one you have to divide into 3. Okay. Children, here you have to draw 2 parts. Here you have to draw 3 parts. Next one, 6 parts. So first part will I do? I will make equal 3. Then again divide into 2 more parts. Okay. Then the last one, 3 by 9. So children, you have to shade 1 by 2. So you can shade 1 by 2, 1 by 3. The next one is you have to shade out of 6 parts, 2 parts. So last one, 3 by 9. So first, children, I will divide into 3 parts, then each part into 3. Now, how much parts you have to shade? 3 parts. So first one is 1 by 2. You are shading till here. You can easily identify from the picture which part is bigger and which parts they are same length.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so draw all the equal parts and identify from the picture which part or which fraction is bigger. Yes, Eva Rose. Eva. Network. Yes, Adinada, look at the picture and tell me which fraction is bigger. Which fraction is bigger?
1/2.
Yes, very good. 1/2. And what about other fractions? 1/3, 2/6, 3/9. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. They are
Equal.
equal. Very good. So children, 1/2 is greater. All other three fractions, they are equal. Equivalent. Okay, so we can write that. Now children, please finish this drawing. Those who have not finished, you can do that as homework. Okay. Who is that talking there? Okay, children. So we can wind up the class now. What you have to do? You have to draw 4 rectangles like this and shade 1/2. Those who have not finished, look here what you have to do. 1/2, 1/3, 2/6 and 3/9. You have to shade and identify which fraction is greater, which fractions are in these writings we can do in the next class. Okay, children. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.